Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a Dollar Tree DIY Quickie. Today I'm going to show you how to embellish these $1 flip-flops from good old Dollar Tree with these gift bows from the party section at Dollar Tree. You're going to need a glue gun or some sort of adhesive. I would recommend a glue gun because it works quickly and it grabs quickly. But if you don't have one on hand, super glue or even E6000 will work. You probably just have to let it dry. But yeah, I picked up the lemon ones a little while ago, and I got some more, but I thought they look great with these bows. They're just super fun. The bows remind me of pom-poms, and they kind of look like the boudoir slippers they used to make back in the day. I don't know if you remember those, but anyway, I thought that would be fun to kind of recreate that in the flip-flop version. But anyway, yeah, you're gonna remove the little sticky part of the bow completely and just adhere it with the hot glue. Super fun, super easy. This will be a great DIY that you can create or your kids can create. If you have some tweens or teens and maybe having a slumber party or birthday party, this would be a great little party favor that they can create and take with them. You could do these for like baby shower gifts or bridal shower gifts, family reunions, hostess gifts, or whatever. This is just a cute little fun and cheap DIY, and you have a cute little accessory once you're finished. So yeah, I had fun picking them out. I picked out a couple others I wanted to make for my daughters and my granddaughter, and yeah, we still have lots of summertime left here, I know, so I'll get a chance to enjoy these. But yeah, grab up some and make a bunch. Or grab some, put them up for next year if it's starting to get cool where you are. But I doubt it, honey. It's still hot where I am, at least. But yeah, super fun and super easy and super cheap. And again, I'm just adding the hot glue around the band. And I'm just going to attach it that way. And then, you know, look around Dollar Tree. See what else you can find that you may be able to embellish these with. I know they have the bling wrap and the bling stickers that you could, you know, add around the top. Lots of stuff. Just think outside the box, y'all. You know, just have fun. Get creative. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos like this. And I appreciate you guys watching. And until my next video, I'll see y'all then. Bye.